Hi, I'm Natalie and I'm going to be teaching you how to make a grazing platter. A grazing platter is pretty much a feast for your eyes. You know, there's no rules when you're doing it. You can put things wherever you want. You're going to set the tone of this party with a grazing platter. I've gone for a 1.2 metre board. Yes, it's big, but we have a lot of people to feed. The materials you will need are a SpecRite panel that you can purchase from your local Bunnings warehouse. They come in many different colours and they are food safe, so it's perfect for a grazing platter. Some handles of your choice, a drill, a tape measure and a pencil. It's a good idea to put some safety goggles on. In here we've got some special snap-off fixing screws. So we're going to measure the thickness and snap them off to the desired length. So now we're going to be measuring up our board. You can measure it up or you can have a little bit of a cheat and you can look on there. Mine is 405 mil. So we're going to make a little mark. Okay, so now we're going to be measuring out our handles. Now we've got our points marked out, we're going to drill some pilot holes. As soon as you've drilled the first screw in, it's time to flip it over and put our handle on. Now that's screwed in and in place, it's time to put the other screw in. Turn it back and just tighten up these screws. Perfect, one handle done. How amazing is this looking? Now our final step is to put these little rubber stoppers on just where the screws have gone so you don't ruin your bench. And how good is this for a grazing platter? It took longer to put all the fruit out than it did to actually make it.